Hello everybody, I am Turco. I am making games with Unity 3D. Today I will make a game like Candy Crush Saga, but with Minecraft characters. It will be a very simple game. So let's look at the process.
First of all, I made prefabs of zombies to spawn them on the board. Then create the scripts. After writing a few lines of code, now zombies can be spawned. But the camera is not at the center. So after writing a script for the camera, the first goal is swapping the zombies. But you should know that when I do something it will not work for the first time. Fixing the problems makes it works. Okay, the first goal is over. The next one is avoiding the matches that show after the game start. So writing lots of code again and again. It should work. But obviously at the second time, now it is working. The new goal is the downward sliding of columns. After a bit of boring time with writing a lot of lines of code, let's try. Of course, there is a problem. After fixing the issue,
it works. Now the final goal is to refill the spaces with new zombies. For this, it is necessary to write a lot of code again. Graphics are what make games attractive. Therefore I added a background image and tiles for zombies. After adding delay functions, the game became smoother. Here is the final version of the game. It is a very simple game. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe for more. And let me know in the comment section if you have an idea about the next video content that you want.